In today's video, I will teach you how to remove bystanders or background people from your photos using AI. Let's get started. Photos can sometimes be ruined by unwanted people or distractions in the background. With AI tools like ChatGPT's image generation, you can easily remove bystanders and create clean, professional-looking images. To do this, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then log into your free account or create one if you don't have an account yet. Now click the plus icon in the prompt box, then select Create Image to switch to AI image editing mode. Now click the plus icon again and select Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl U or Command U on your keyboard. Now choose the image from your computer that you want to edit, and make sure to use high-resolution photos for better results. Now in the prompt box, describe exactly what you want the AI to do, and make sure to be very specific about removing bystanders or background distractions. Here are some good prompt examples. Make sure to include details about the background or environment to help the AI fill in the gaps naturally. Now press Enter to let the AI remove the bystanders, then wait for the AI to generate the cleaned up image. The first attempt may not be perfect, so adjust your prompt and regenerate until you get the desired result. And once you're satisfied, hover over the image and click Download to save it to your computer. And you can also click Share to post it directly to your social media. The free plan for ChatGPT allows generating up to 5 images per day, so upgrade your plan to generate more if needed. And here are some tips for best results. With these steps, you can easily remove unwanted people from any photo and make it look professionally edited in just a few minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.